Let's look at another common workflow to divide parcels. I'm going to create a new record, case 2022 124, and it's going to be maybe a division or something. You can maybe specify the type here, or you specify it as part of those things. I'm going to call it plot division. That makes sense. Give it a recorded date when it was recorded and create it. Now it is the active record. Let's select a parcel we want to divide. So I'm going to select this parcel over here. Turn the record off for now. And we'll go to the divide tool. And there's different ways to divide this parcel. Let's zoom in a bit. I can either draw a direction or I can specify a direction. I'm going to choose this one. And you can see that it already divided it into two parts that are equal. It looks at the area and the new area. We can specify 3, 4 parts, and you can see in the preview those dashed lines update as we do that. Another way to divide is if you know that the first half, the first piece needs to be certain square meters. So there's 3,000 here. Let's go with 1,600 square meters. And you can see the number of parts are, we can say 2, but you can see that there's a little piece here that is remaining. Well, usually it's smaller. Let's say it's 1680. So now there's some misclose here that you can see here in the little area here. We can automatically distribute the remaining area equally, for example, if we wanted to. And now it will be proportioned properly. And we can press the divide button. So that's one way of dividing those two parcels. They are selected, so if we wanted to give them different namings now, we could go ahead and do that. Let's say, I don't know, 17, and maybe the other one is 18, or however the convention is for naming parcel. Maybe it's updated automatically, and you can see the stated area, the legal area that was specified, is captured on those parcels. And of course, like every transaction that we do that's record driven, we get historic parcels. So let's look at the historic parcels here. There's one historic parcel and it has been maintained. And if we look at the properties of the record, we'll see that in this case there was one parcel retired, the parent parcel, and 2 new parcels got created. And of course the record geometry got updated. You can see the blue outline here of the record geometry based on this transaction.